urerorera Mĩaki na Mĩgo TV ngiraha niho mucie wiigue wi mucie.
Ayo, there's a boy.
Tell me,
Yeah.
Why is kiengei trending?
I saw. So now why are you laughing? I was
Me, you know, it's my baby Njoki trending.
Yes.
And I've prayed for you the TikTok.
Yes.
What did you see in short before we dance? Because we wanna dance.
I was going through the social media.
Yes.
Then I landed on a video. Yes. Yes. I see Kiengei is being told. Hey, you say this is called kororia.
Koroga.
Somebody. That somebody.
Faster, Mushane doesn't walk slow.
Yeah, you brought them there. Now you are pretending. You are the one who made them to enter there.
Bringing them where?
That place of yours.
What is the problem?
That place of theirs here. You bring people who have something.
Why do you want without?
If I came there, you cannot recognize me if I have nothing.
Adirucha is still quiet.
Our government should start speaking now. The people are being hingered.
But now,
Hey you, we can see you there.
what is the problem?
You are saying you are the one who made him become what he is. Are you God?
But maybe it's true. What is the problem?
You bring people with money there up.
Who was without?
If, for example, I come there without, would you?
But you know, hiyo hizi votes ni za link.
Hizi ni votes zangu. And then people start to come here down. The one who posts.
Don't touch.
They come.
Eh.
Hey you, we can see this statement has jealousy. Hey you are speaking like that because you fell.
Forget about